What's the problem? You've been waiting your entire life for this moment. This golden opportunity. This rare occasion. This chance to do what so many other people don't get to do. What they don't get to accomplish. What they don't get to experience. What they can only imagine. But you're here. You've made it to this point. You've arrived at this pinnacle place in your life. It would be a shame to mess it up. A shame to miss this chance. All because you allowed fear to trump faith. Time waits for no man. Once it's gone, it's gone. It doesn't roll over. Time goes forward. Time never goes backward. The time is now. There has never been a more promising time to achieve greatness. I heard someone once say that greatness is within you, but it's dormant. It's bottled up, just waiting for the moment to unleash and show the world how great you really are. How talented you can be. How amazing your skills are. Not sure if you know or not, but there are hundreds. No, scratch that. Thousands. Let me try again. Millions of people that would kill to be in your shoes right now. They would give up food, sleep, TV, cell phone, and any other luxury of the world just to be given the opportunity you have right now. Real quickly. The first component, the first thing of your A game, the first letter that you got to get is the attitude. All right, say it with me. You got to have the right attitude. Listen to me. Your attitude is everything. Your attitude determines every single thing you do in life. Your attitude determines your altitude. You want to go high in life? You've got to have the right attitude. This is what they say in life. They say that life is just 10%. Listen to me now. 10% of what happens is your life. 90%, the remaining big picture, the remaining 90% is how you respond to that small 10%. So no matter what it is that you go through in life, it's only a small fraction. The big picture, however, is how did you respond to that failure? How did you respond to that adversity? How did you respond to failing that quiz? How did you respond to not getting that promotion, right? Whatever it is you went through in life, how did you respond? How did you bounce back? So it's all about having the correct attitude. You better work your butt off every single second that you have. Or you will find yourself saying, I should have, but it'll be too late. The time would have already passed. Your chance will be lost. Your golden opportunity will fall in someone else's lap. Don't do that to yourself. You've worked too hard up until this point. You put too much blood, too much sweat, too much tears, too many late nights of studying into your craft to ease up now. The time is now. Not only is it important to you, but it's important to your family. It's important to your friend. It's important to every young child that looks at you as a role model. And you had no idea you were being watched. There are young kids in your neighborhood that aspire to be like you. They want the opportunities you've been given, but they may be too shy to tell you. And so they watch from a distance. Don't let them down. The time is now. Everyone in your corner is rooting for your success. Everyone in your corner wants to see you shine. Everyone in your corner wants to see you win. Everyone in your corner believes in you. The question is, do you believe in you? Are you committed to the process? Are you built for this life? Are you ready for the tears, the long days of working hard, the sleepless nights of putting in work, the sacrifice of your time to reach a new level? The time is now. The choice is yours. Don't wait. Don't hold back. Don't be shy. Give it all you got. Give it every ounce of effort you can muster up. Then, and only then, can you be successful. The time is now.